Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change your battery current sensor in your 1.4 liter Sonic or Cruise. Today we are working on a Sonic. So your battery current sensor is what may be triggering your battery saver message to pop up on your center screen. So today I'm going to show you how to replace it. This is the part, and here's the part number. For this particular model of Sonic, this is the ground cable here, which we want to remove. But in order to do that, we are going to have to remove the battery and the tray. This here is your battery sensor. To remove this, just pop it up. Okay, to remove this sensor, simply just pull up on it, and you see this white portion here. Just pull it down like so, and then you can push the bottom in and disconnect it like so. Next, you're going to take a 10 millimeter, disconnect your positive and negative terminals of your battery. So that should be okay. Put that down there. Now we will remove the positive end of the battery here. Same thing, just another 10. Get that on there. And the corrosion here could also cause it, but I've cleaned this battery. This is also a new battery, so I know it's not either of these things that is causing the message to pop up for me. So just remove this terminal like so. Once that bolt is loose, you can loosen this and set this back. I'd recommend getting a rag or something to put that on, but if you have the negative off, you should be okay. Next, we will grab a 13 millimeter socket for that there, which is the hold down. So just get your 13 millimeter on the bolt here and start removing it. In this case, I have a little bit of room to swing it underneath here. Just get that loosened and then see if you can get it by hand. Okay, pull that bolt off and just pull the battery hold down out. Just slides out. Now for your battery, just grab it. If you have a handle, you can grab it. If not, then just pull it out. Now these ones should also be either 13s or 15s. In this case they're 13s. So we do have 3 bolts in here on how to or 3 bolts, so let's remove those. Alright, simply just loosen them. They should come free. Now we can take the tray, move it ever so slightly, just enough to get to our ground, which is actually, I lied, it's actually that bolt right here. So that should be a 10 millimeter right there, back here. So let's see if we can remove that and take this battery terminal off. Okay. Bolt's on there a little tight, just be careful, don't snap it, that'd be very bad. Just remove the nut, it should be frame colored, whatever color your car is. Just slide the wire off here, and then you'll see that the sensor will come off with it through the bottom. That's what you want. So now take your brand new sensor here, just slide it on, make sure that the bottom part is pointing like you put it on this way, because if you put it the other way, it's not going to be able to hang. Just to make sure you can set up your thing the way it's supposed to be, and in this case it would be set up like, you know, sort of like this. So just make sure you have the the right orientation. So now let's get everything back together. Start with this chassis, ground wire, which again just slips in right here. You grab the nut through, so get that on there. Oops, that's right way. This is also a good time if you need to change out your driver's side engine mount. This is the place to do it. So now that that's snug, that ground right there, now it's time to push the battery tray back in place. Simply just push it down. Make sure you grab all your wires out of the way. You don't want them getting stuck. Grab the electrical connector too. Now just line your holes back up with where they're supposed to go. We'll put our wire in place just for now, or our sensor. You can see it right here. Put it down in there. Start by getting your 3 bolts hand threaded into place. 1, 2, and 3. Get your 13 millimeter and start just sending them down. Next, while we're in here, let's connect our sensor, which is right here. Just make sure it's the right way, and then just snap it back in there, and then move that white tab that we had previously pulled up. Just move it, push it back into place. Now get your battery, lay it down in there where it's supposed to go. Like so. Get our battery hold down, put that back into place, and then line this one up with the hole right there. Get your last 13 mil and screw it on in there. Okay, good. We'll take this and tighten it down. Just take the extension off so I can get in here. Alright, that's good. Now to connect the battery posts. So we will put our positive back on and bolt that back down. And just so you know, when you put the negative terminal back on, at least with my car, some of them might start honking the horn, so just have your key ready. Just hit the unlock button as you do it and it'll turn the horn off. Okay, so our positive terminal's in. Now again, get your key ready and hit the unlock button when the horn starts going off once you connect this negative terminal, which we will do here in 1 second. Just gotta move this around in place, and here we go. All right, now we're good to go. Just make sure your battery works, click your buttons a couple times if you have that. If not, that's okay. So we'll verify our repair. Starting the car, and it starts. So we're all good. That's how you install a battery current sensor in a 1.4 liter Sonic or Cruise. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment. Have a great day.